Woodworking warning. Grab 16,000 woodworking projects for a limited time only. This amazing collection of 16,000 woodworking plans could save you time and money. Plus, it includes step-by-step instructions on how to put any type of woodworking project you can think of together. Here's what you're getting. Instant access to all 16,000 projects with step-by-step details, plans, cutting and materials list and more. Lifetime free monthly plans, no recurring fees or other charges. A treasure trove of tutorials and in-depth woodworking training. DWG and CAD Plan Viewer, so you can edit and modify your plans. 150 premium woodworking videos, covering a wide range of topics, hosted by master craftsmen. How to start a woodworking business book. Learn how to make money selling your custom woodwork. Complete woodworking guides. Over 200 pages of tips and tricks with detailed drawings and diagrams. From large outhouses to intricate crafts and furniture around the house, you've got everything covered. You would be able to build any project you could ever imagine. Make any project easy and hassle-free. Suitable for both beginners and pros.